Hey guys, today's topic of the video is why he loses interest when you show yours. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Also check out the description box. Usually I leave the links to my other related videos. And without further ado, let's start. So reason number one to why a man is losing his interest is when you're obsessing over him. Instead of continuing to live your best life, hanging out with friends, having fun and other things you like to do before you met this guy, now you almost forgot about everything else and you spend your time obsessing and thinking about him. You imagine every possible situation that can happen, you live in your fantasies, you plan your future together as a couple. You are overthinking your conversations, you are overanalyzing his words. And so a man can sense that. He understands that you are way too focused on him, that you are desperate to date him, and that you are losing your identity already because now your whole world revolves around him. Second reason is when you put a man you like on a pedestal. By making him that perfect in your head, you become more and more insecure. You feel like you are not good enough. You give off this vibe that you are not confident, you don't feel worthy his attention and his feelings, and it turns a man off. Third reason to why a man is losing his interest is when you're trying too hard. You're always trying to please him, you're rescheduling your whole day and maybe a week to meet with him whenever he has free time. Whenever he calls you and asks you out, you drop everything you're doing, you're always available for him. You may bail on your friend or not going to the gym just because he wants to see you. Or maybe while you need to wake up early for the class or for important meeting at work the next day, still you would text him back and forth for hours even though you feel super sleepy and you need to have other priorities. You do not prioritize yourself, your health, your usual activities, your goals. You are too focused on this guy, and men always notice that. And they don't need all those sacrifices. Reason number 4, choosing the wrong man. Maybe you keep choosing the same type of guys. Like, for example, when you are choosing an emotionally unavailable man, and when things get more serious and he already can tell you are way too interested, you are more involved than he is, he becomes more distant because he doesn't want to deal with feelings, with emotions. He doesn't want a committed relationship, and meanwhile you feel frustrated, wondering what have you done wrong. By the way, I have a video about emotionally unavailable men. If you want, you can check it out. So reason number 5 is when you are chasing a guy. When you flip tables, when he no longer needs to pursue you, he's confused and he may be even disappointed because you've started pursuing him. It doesn't feel that special anymore, it doesn't feel natural to a guy, and it's not as interesting, especially if many girl wants to be with him, if they are always giving him a lot of attention, if they are trying to hang out with him, if they text and call him, and so in this case you behave just like them. Reason number 6 is when he met someone he likes more. This reason has nothing to do with you. It has to do with a man's preferences, and you just have to accept it and move on. That's it. So that's some of the reasons to why a man can lose interest. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences on this topic. Hope it was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Okay, bye!